lilac bush.
Yeah.
The sister of George Bush.
Someone's having a good time out here. The Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, Minnesota.
Okay, hold on. My husband will be the one reporting for this mabulaklak na event. Come on.
I'm gonna pull over here and see what it is.
Where's the weeping? Oh yeah, because look at that.
Oh, weeping willows. Okay.
Also, weeping willows.
Yeah, that's
and this one, laughing tree.
Laughing tree.
This is the laughing tree. And that one is fearing tree.
Yes, fearing tree.
Fearing tree.
Birch collection.
Birch collection. So when we tell them, where are we?
We are at the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, Minnesota. Not to be confused with Paisley Park in Chanhassen. Actually, neither place has anything in common with the other. Oh, look at the bricks.
We are in Egypt now. Show you the bricks.
Yeah. What's up with...
Oh, we are in Egypt. Yeah.
Are they like pyramids?
But it's not pyramid.
Mini pyramids.
Mini pyramids. Environmental. Okay, let's...
Ash collection. So these are ash trees.
Ash.
They kind of look like elm trees to me.
Yeah. Also, what's that?
A lot of people are getting out up here.
So,
why?
what's the tree? That smells good. That one smells like sampaguita. Yeah.
Smells like what?
Sampaguita. Sampaguita is a national flower, Philippine national flower, and smells really good.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Flowering trees. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Crab apple collection.
Grapeable.
Yeah, let's just stop here for a minute.
Alright. So as you can see, these are
Crab apple collection.
crab, what? Craveable?
Crab apple collection. We have one of these crab apple trees in our backyard.
Ah,
The
crab.
one with the hole in the trunk.
Okay, crab apple. I thought it's craveable. No, it's not. Look at that.
Yeah, very
Trees.
nice.
So amazing, amazing. It's different colors. Some green, white, pink, red.
Yeah.
Alright. It's so good. So baby, what's kind of that?
It's a white lilac bush.
Oh!
Yeah, white lilac.
White lilac bush.
Yeah.
The sister of George Bush.
Someone's having a good time out here.
It's lilac also. This one's like pinkish white. So pretty. The combination of the pink and white. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice. So this is Moulin Rouge bush. The neighbors of George Bush. What? Red Osier. The goat. The tree of Dogecoin.
Yeah.
What's that?
They've already blossomed.
What kind of bush?
It's a spirea.
Spirea? I don't.
Yeah.
It's a type of bush. Wherever you are. Type of bush. Looking into the wind. Looking into the wind. In Tagalog, nakatingin sa kawalan. Sila Lapu-Lapu pumunta sa Cebu. Hindi nga lang tubig, bulaklak ang inabot. Baby pink. Baby baby shark. Hey babe, let's sit there. That's so pretty. There you go. Introducing Mr. Mark Fellow
Mr. Lilac
and Miss Lowlock. Tan-taran! Tan-taran! Makapag-joke lang. Sabit-sabit din. This is nice. Kind of love wherever you are. Oh, this one is red. Is it palm tree? Maple tree? like maple tree. Maple tree?
Japanese maple tree.
Oh! It is Japanese maple. Yeah.
Nice red. Wow.
Yeah. Maple tree. Japanese maple tree.
Yeah.
And it was when I cried, it's a red. Oh.
Who's the tour bus? Okay, so watch out for those people.
So that's the end of our tour. What's it? I can't read.
Is it?
I think so. Where is the way out? Yeah. That's the end of our tour for today. Here,
Black tulips.
yeah, black tulips.
Well, look at all the cars coming in.
Yeah. Alright. That's it, folks. I don't know if you enjoy, but we had fun. We enjoyed. Okay.
How could they not enjoy all your jokes?
Oh, yeah, my jokes is authentic.